Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to play another super fun test game to check how well you remember letters K to O. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with letter K. What animal hops and has a long tail? Yes, K for kangaroo. What do we fly high in the sky? Correct, K for kite. What do we use to open a lock? Yes, K for key. What do we call the boss of the kingdom? Good job, K for king. Fantastic work, you got all the K words right. Now let's move to the letter L. What animal is called the king of the jungle? Yes, L for lion. What green thing grows on trees? Correct, L for leaf. What sweet round candy do kids love? Yes, L for lollipop. What fruit is yellow and sour? Good job, L for lemon. Great job on the letter L. Here comes the letter M. What animal loves to eat bananas? Yes, M for monkey. What fruit is sweet and juicy? Correct, M for mango. What do we look in to see our face? Yes, M for mirror. What small animal squeaks? Good job, M for mouse. Hurrah! You did amazing with the letter M. Now it's time for the letter N. What do birds make to lay eggs? Yes, N for nest. What do we wear around our neck? Correct, N for necklace. What do we write in at school? Yes, N for notebook. What direction is up on a map? Good job, N for north. Incredible! You did great with the letter N. And finally it's time for the letter O. What fruit is round and orange? Yes, O for orange. What sea animal has 8 arms? Correct, O for octopus. What round shape looks like a circle? Yes, O for oval. What do we cut and use in food? Good job, O for onion. You did it, little learners. You're all superstars. Let's clap for ourselves. Clap. See you soon with the next fun test.